about to twist my ankle, y'all. It's the height, okay? Hi you guys, what's good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lachey. Y'all already saw the title, so you know that we're gonna be getting into a super quick unboxing with some new Uggs that I purchased. I actually have a couple other pairs that I ordered the same day, but they're being shipped separately, and it's always so fascinating for me personally when I'm looking at Uggs because I feel like they've been killing it with the new releases, the new items, the funky fun styles, the bold bright colors, the fuzziness, the different types of furs and textures, and I just always love getting a new pair of Uggs. They are like fairly priced, I would say. This particular pair, I'm looking at it right now, retails for $120 in US. And they come in a natural color, a black color, and a pink color. Currently the color I got is out of stock, and they have black fully in stock, and then the pink, which is super cute. So I wanted to give you guys like an honest try on and review about the fit, all of that stuff, because I never really see reviews on Uggs. They're not necessarily the most affordable things, and sometimes the trendy ones sell out super fast, and I as a shopper want to know, like, is this worth my money? How is the fit compared to the classic chestnut Uggs that a lot of us already own? So I always like to look up reviews, and I just never saw any reviews on the specific styles that I recently picked up. And as a shopaholic, the first thing that I like to do is hop on YouTube to see if there's any quick unboxings, any reviews that feature the shoe that I'm looking at, and I feel like that always gives me a better idea of, oh, well, I really like this, we'll actually wear it, how's the fit gonna be, and what does it look like in a video versus just the photos that are on the Ugg website. So that is why we are here today. So before we go ahead and get into this unboxing, thumbs up if you guys enjoy these quick reviews, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell next to it so you guys never miss my uploads. I'm super excited to get into this package. It did ship through Ups, so love a good Ups package. I felt like it shipped within less than a week. Yeah, less than a week, because I bought these in the middle of the night, so we love. Ooh, almost broke a nail. Oh my gosh. Do y'all like Uggs? Or you still think that they're ugly? We need to know in the comments, because some of these shoes I'm like, ooh, that's like ugly, but it's so cute, so different, so fun. And that's why I want to do these Ugg reviews, because I love a good Ugg. Okay, so here's the box. Doesn't even say Ugg on it. Well, okay, first of all, I didn't even get this in my size. So let me say a prayer that these fit, because this was literally the only size left in that natural color. So I'm a true 9 when it comes to Uggs, and I feel like they low-key run, well, some pairs, if it's a platform, run a little smaller, and then if it's like a regular boot, it will run true to size, and we know they don't really do half sizes, so it could be forgiving. So that's what we're gonna find out today, because I got this in a women's 10 and I needed a 9, but I was like, well, maybe I can wear socks with it. So we have the warranty card. Why are these so cute? I hope they fit. I'm gonna be so sad. Oh my god. See, this is what I'm saying. They look so much more lush in a video and in person versus the photos on the Ugg website. So we have about an inch of a little flat form going on. The bottom has the traditional Ugg sole, and this type of shoe is meant to be worn outdoors. I do like that it has a thicker sole to it, because then the fur isn't grazing so closely to like the grass and the sidewalk and the asphalt. So you can definitely utilize this slide outdoors. I also think it would be a cute inside shoe, but I personally would not use this as an indoor slipper. This is definitely super cute, very cozy for outside everyday use. This has a plush lining that offers a soft and textured statement sourced from Harvest Trees. What the fuck? So the sole of this shoe is what they call a sugar sole foam, an outsole foam made with renewed sugarcane, a swift growing rainfall dependent resource that removes CO2 from the atmosphere and does not require integration. Ooh, it's all fur in the inside of the shoe, on the top of the shoe. It also has the Ugg logo here on this side. It's kind of low-key, like if you know, you know. And I feel like this is a type of color that can be styled with so many different things. Super soft. Other shoe. I feel like you might be able to get away with, I want to just convince myself that these 10s are gonna fit me like a 9. But we will try them on. I do think this would be super cute in the colder months with socks, and you know, your ankles won't really be out, so you can utilize them outside, but also wearing them without socks. We know that Ugg, when they do this fur lining, it's best not to wear socks because you really get that imprint of your feet and it really molds to your own feet, which is always, I feel like, the best thing about Ugg, and it just makes them more comfortable and cozy. So let me switch to a try on so you guys can see what these little guys look like, and I'll be able to touch more about the fit and if I feel like, you know, I'd recommend going true to size, or if you're in between sizing up or sizing down. See, I have about an inch of space at the end, but it's still very comfortable for me to walk in. I think these are super cute, especially from my point of view, just looking down at the shoe. Just looks like a very cozy, furry, fluffy slide. I think it looks cute with the socks. And they easily slip and slide on and off, so love that. Super comfortable, you guys. When I'm walking in these, I don't feel like my toes are banging up against the front of the shoe. I also don't feel like they're slipping and sliding back and forth in the slide. And given that they have about an inch of a platform on them, they are super comfortable. Just be careful, you don't want to twist your ankle like I almost did, because whoop, you see that? You could do that, and you don't want to do that. I would also want to point out that these are definitely friendly for wide feet like myself. Plenty of space. Don't feel like my feet are crammed in here at all. And if you are a girly that is in between sizes, definitely recommend the option of sizing up. I went up a whole size and I'm still fine in this shoe. Could I still go with my true size at 9? Absolutely. If you are looking to size down, I don't think I would size down. So yeah. You guys, they fit my feet. They fit my feet. There's a little bit of space on the end of the shoe here, which I always think is nice to have a little extra room so your toes aren't going like this in the front of the shoe. So I would recommend, if you are a half size, you could totally size up. And if you are a type of girly that wants to wear these slides with a sock, especially a thicker sock in the colder months, then again, I recommend you size up, and or you can totally go true to size. I think it's just mostly helpful helpful to know about the sizing if you are somebody that happens to fall as a half size, because some of the shoes do end up fitting a little bit different. But I do think this is such a fun, funky shoe. It's not the most ugly Ugg that there is on the website. It's definitely a very wearable, fuzzy, furry slide. And after reading on the website that this is made out of more natural materials, I think that is absolutely amazing. It's made out of sugar cane and trees. I still don't know if this is fur though, which is very confusing. It doesn't really specify on the website, but it is extremely soft. Oh my gosh. And I think all the colors are stunning, especially the black, super wearable, the pink, very fun, not as wearable as this neutral color, but I will link you guys to these slides in the description box below in case you guys want to check them out, and keep your eye open for a restock and or back order if it is available for you. But I'm obsessed. I think I have a healthy obsession with Ugg, and it's nice to see that they're coming out with really fun, funky styles outside of just the classic boots that we all have and love. So I can't wait to come back with some more Ugg reviews, quick reviews for you guys, so you can kind of see a shoe like a try on. Very odd, but I love these. I love giving these to you guys. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for stopping by and watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you dolls in my next video very soon. Bye!